If you want to customize Opera and give it a completely fresh look, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the theme on Opera browser step by step in just a few minutes. We'll cover how to change the colors, how to switch wallpapers, and how to use your own custom image so your start page looks the way you want it to. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy browser tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera browser on your computer. When the browser opens, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Easy Setup icon, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. This is where Opera keeps a lot of its quick customization settings, so if you want to change the theme, this is the place to start. Go ahead and click the Easy Setup icon. A menu will slide open on the side, and from here you can begin adjusting Opera's appearance. One of the first things you'll notice is the Theme section. Under Theme, you can pick a color to change the accent borders and highlight elements in the browser. This is what gives Opera its main visual style, and it can instantly make the browser feel more personal. Take a moment to scroll through the available color options and click the one you like best. As soon as you select a color, Opera will update the look right away, so you can preview the change instantly. If you want a clean and simple setup, you can go with a subtle color. If you want something more vibrant, choose a brighter theme color that stands out more on the screen. Now, if you want to change more than just the color, Opera also lets you customize the start page background. To do that, stay in the same Easy Setup menu and scroll down to the Wallpapers section. This is where you'll find Opera's built-in wallpaper options, along with the option to upload your own image. First, let's try one of Opera's default preloaded wallpapers. Just click on any wallpaper you like, and it will apply immediately to the start page. This is a quick and easy way to change the look of Opera without needing to upload anything from your computer. You can test a few different ones until you find a style that matches your preference. If you want something even more personal, you can use your own photo or custom image. In the Wallpapers section, click the Add Your Wallpaper button. This is the square icon with the plus sign inside it. When you click it, Opera will open a file window so you can browse your computer. From there, select an image file such as a JPG or PNG. Once you choose your file, Opera will add it as your wallpaper and apply it to the start page. This is a great option if you want to use a favorite photo, a branded background, or a custom design that matches your workspace or personality. After you've chosen your theme color and wallpaper, take a quick look at the browser to make sure everything looks the way you want. The changes should appear right away, and you can always go back into Easy Setup later if you want to switch things up again. That's one of the best things about Opera. It makes customization simple and fast. So to recap, if you want to change the theme on Opera browser, open the Easy Setup menu from the top right corner, choose a color under theme, then scroll to Wallpapers to pick a default background or upload your own image. That's all it takes to make Opera feel more personal and easier on the eyes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Opera tips and browser customization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.